Your brain is not built for control. It's built for trust. And every time you let go, your nervous system remembers that. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, cognitive neuroscientist, presenting episode 4 of the neuroscience behind Mel Robbins' Let Them theory. Today, we're exploring what actually happens in your brain when you finally let go, when you stop forcing, stop fixing, and start allowing. Mel Robbins calls it letting them. Neuroscience calls it rewiring the surrender circuit. And your nervous system, it calls it relief. When I first started practicing letting go, it felt absolutely impossible. My mind would race with every single what if. I thought control kept me safe, but actually it was keeping me stuck in high beta chaos, those stress circuits activated in my brain. The first time I truly surrendered, fully released an outcome from my control, I felt my shoulders drop, my breath deepen. I felt relief. Later, when I looked back at my brain map, that red storm of fast, high waves had softened into green coherence. Now that's the neurobiology of peace. Now let's talk about, why does your brain cling? Our brains are wired to predict, to prevent the anterior cingulate, the prefrontal cortex. They work overtime to minimize uncertainty. But uncertainty doesn't necessarily mean danger. It's just data that your brain hasn't processed yet. When you try to control everything, you flood your nervous system with cortisol. That constant prediction loop keeps you trapped in vigilance, not in presence. Letting go is a physical event in your brain. When you consciously release control, activity in the prefrontal cortex decreases. The insula, which tracks your body's internal state, it becomes more balanced. And the parasympathetic branch, that branch in your autonomic nervous system for rest and relaxation, it can take over. That means that your heart rate slows. Digestive and immune system responses can reactivate. Blood flow can shift from the survival centers in your brain to the creativity networks. It's not just spiritual fluff. It's literally neurochemical harmony. Surrender literally turns off the alarm. So I began practicing this every single morning. And guess what? I still do. I would put a hand on my heart. I'd put the other hand on my abdomen, breathing until my body stopped bracing. It actually activates coherence between your brain, your heart, and your gut. It allows your mind to give over control. And mine was screaming in those first moments. But each breath brought me back. Each breath activated the vagus nerve. And it told me, you're safe, Trish, even when you don't know you are. This phrase became my mantra. I am safe even if I don't know. That's trust. In sacred science, surrender isn't giving up. It's syncing up. Your nervous system aligns with the greater order that's already unfolding. When the ego's noise quiets, your brain's electrical patterns reorganize into coherence. That's why calm feels so sacred. Your biology and your being are finally on the same frequency. Okay, so here's your supernormal strategy for the day. When you catch yourself forcing an outcome, pause, breathe in, silently say, I trust the process. Exhale, feel your shoulders drop. Let your nervous system finish the sentence for you. That single breath breaks the illusion of control, and it reboots your entire brain body circuit for calm. Because peace isn't passive, it's absolutely powerful. It's what happens when your system remembers how to trust. Okay, coming on the screen right now, the let them state, how calm confidence becomes your default mode. It's our next and final video in our series on the neuroscience behind Mel Robbins' Let Them theory. So join me in the next video now, and I'll see you there.